You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ20, Columbia, South Carolina, serving Central South Carolina. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Richland County in central South Carolina, southwestern Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lake Carolina to Sesquicentennial State Park, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Forest Acres, Dentsville, Arcadia Lakes, Woodfield, Sesquicentennial State Park, Lake Carolina, Elgin, villages at Sandhill, Fort Jackson Cantonment Area, and Fort Jackson Wildcat Road. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 73 and 87. Interstate 77 between mile markers 12 and 19. Time.